parents and students. Welcome to Parent Teacher Conferences. Before you come in and meet with me, I just wanted to talk about a couple of things. First of all, grades. Your Canvas grade is your most accurate grade at this point. We've had some issues this quarter with syncing Canvas and Skyward, so to be honest, I haven't even started yet. So your Canvas grade is accurate. Your Skyward grade is probably empty. But as this week goes on, you should see it sort of start to populate with those assignments as we've kind of worked out the bugs the first couple weeks. The second thing is I have to apologize for kind of how spotty things have been. My family got COVID, so we have been dealing with all of the consequences of that. So in an acknowledgement that I am trying to do too much, I have decided to scale back on our live sessions. We'll only have one a day from here until my family gets back up to normal. So we'll have one in the afternoon at 2 o'clock. Live sessions are not essential. I find that they are especially useful for students who struggle with lots of reading or get distracted. Then coming to live sessions can definitely help you finish it quicker. I shoot to be in and out in about 30 minutes, which if you're spending more than that on the assignments, then coming to the live session definitely is useful for you. If you are able to finish the assignments in 10 or 15 minutes by yourself, then you don't need to come to live sessions at all. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about was I just wanted to thank you for all of your effort and your work. It has been so much fun to be with you this quarter, and I am learning so much, and I hope that you are too.